Let's start our whirlwind tour of using Webflow as your website builder. So once you've come onto the site, you've signed up, you've clicked that you wanted to start a site, and so from here you can choose from free and premium templates. If I just click on all so we can get a good idea of what you have available, you'll see that there's a whole lot of different templates. We can click on load more and see even more. But probably the best thing to do is just go through and either select or just preview what those will look like. We're just going to go with a free template for this theme. We'll go with this theme and clicking on create website, which will take you across to this page. Now from here, if you want to actually change around any of the pages on the site, over on the left hand side, pages, you'll see here, they're all the pages that we've got at the moment. If you wanted to add another one, you just click on plus, and we're going to make our example page and to create that. So there's our example page down the bottom, and we can move that up or down depending on where we want to have that. Now in terms of elements, when you're working with this software, click up the plus button up the top here, and you'll see here there are a whole lot of different things you can add in, like forms, different types of media, typography, which is just headings and text boxes. There's other components like tabs and nav bars and social links as well that you can have there as well. So I'll show you what it's like if I just pull across, say, a text one. I'm just going to pop that in underneath and type in. There we go. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it just shows you how easy it is to add an element on your site. Now, in terms of blog posts, if we come over to our pages, all posts, that's going to show up this section that has all our posts. But if we click on the actual contents here, these are all our blog posts. If you want to add an additional one, new blog post, the name of the post, post body, summary, the main image you want to use, and just the category depending on how you've set up your categories, and you can have it as a featured post as well. So pretty simple for being able to add in a blog post and also just update those settings on your site. Now in terms of settings for each of the pages, we go up to the top here. So I want to look at that, or if we want to look at the navigation, we can look at the style manager for each of the pages. We also have a look at a little bit more advanced features of interactions on the site and images showing up there as well. So you can do some pretty pinpoint design changes using this as well. So if you do a double click on the elements, it will actually show up this, where I can change the padding and get just the exact look that I want on my site. So that's a quick look at using Webflow. Feel free to dive in there and see all the more advanced features, like even be able to see the previews of iPads and phones and horizontal and vertical layouts as well. So check that out, and I hope this gives you a good idea of what it would be like to design a site using Webflow.